So we're at Mobile World Congress 2018. We're here with the FON team. I'm here with Iurgi. Good to meet you.
Hello, good to meet you.
So can you just tell us a little bit about the company and what your role is at FON?
Yeah. So FON is the leading Wi-Fi software solution provider for telcos. We've been around for over 10 years doing this. My role at FON, I'm Chief Innovation Officer, which means that me and my team basically focus on making FON ever innovative and look for new business and technology innovations, always in alignment with our strategy.
So Fontech recently launched the Home Wi-Fi solution. Can you just explain why that's important for operators?
Yeah, well, all of us have experienced Wi-Fi issues at home. We have poor Wi-Fi, and this is mostly due to many changes in the way we use Wi-Fi at home. So a few years ago, we just had one desktop maybe sitting close to the CPE, but nowadays we have up to 10 devices at home, and this keeps growing. In the next 2-3 years, it's going to grow up to 50 devices. And not only that, there's more members of the family using Wi-Fi, and now kids have their own tablets and mobile devices. There's also streaming devices, there's IoT devices, so there's a big blossom of different devices and users in the home. And telcos have been kind of poor in solving this problem. It's been very challenging for them. And this ended up basically in users having a poor experience, feeling bad about their service, complaining to the telcos that the service was not what they were paying for, right? They pay for maybe 300 megs of fiber connection, now even 1 gig, and they only get poor Wi-Fi connectivity in the room where they actually want to watch Netflix. So this created kind of a need for the users that ended up going to the retail market and created a new opportunity for companies like Google and others to solve this problem for the end users, right?
Okay.
So right now we have many users going to retail shops to try to solve the Wi-Fi problem by themselves. And this is a strategic problem for telcos because this means that they get cut out of controlling the home Wi-Fi experience of their own customers, while the customers, they really expect the telco to be the one that solves this problem, right? So basically what we launch is a solution for telcos to deliver proper Wi-Fi services to the end users with great experience. The users have a very easy to use app, very good experience, and at the same time the telcos get to see everything that is happening in the homes, and this allows them to actually provide better customer service. So when these users complain, the customer agents do actually get to see what's happening in the home, and they can give actual answers to the users and solutions as how to solve their problems, right?
So what is it about Fontech's solution that makes it stand out from the rest in the crowd?
Well, first of all, I would say it's our experience working with operators. We've been building Wi-Fi solutions. We're very known for our Wi-Fi community service. We've been doing this for over 10 years, integrating into over 25 telco operators and over 70 different CPEs. So we have a lot of experience in putting our software into the devices of the ISPs. Secondly is that because of that, we have a lot of contact with both the telcos and the CPE vendors. So we build this home Wi-Fi solution working together with them, and we build it tailored specifically for telcos. It's not a product that we've built as a retail product, but it's designed for telcos, so it has in mind all their operational needs or all their support needs. And then that it's an end-to-end solution. Okay, so some of the solutions try to solve pieces of the whole problem, because either it's a CPE company that tries to solve the problem in the CPE, or it's a back-end provider that tries to solve it on the cloud. We provide a whole pack end-to-end to the telco. So we have kind of the platform, which is the brains of the whole solution, which can be installed both in the cloud or on premises of the telcos, and then the user gets an app to control their home experience. It's actually an SDK that can be integrated into the telco's app, but it's an app with the same experience as you can get on the best retail products. We also provide hardware or software to integrate into the CPEs. With hardware, I mean extenders. So some telcos actually ask us to provide them the software for their CPEs and then extenders for the home. And finally, we also give them the customer support dashboard, which is a very useful tool to actually solve the problems once the calls happen, because we try to reduce the number of calls, but also reduce the time of the calls.
Okay, great. So Fontech recently announced a partnership with Qualcomm. What benefits will this bring to the telcos using your technology?
Well, this is a joint work between Qualcomm, which is one of the best chipset providers in the industry, and Fon, which is we are a great software provider for the telco. So mixing both together has resulted in an excellent coalition. Basically, what we do is we take the excellent Wi-Fi SON from Qualcomm, which is solving lots of the current home Wi-Fi problems we mentioned, such as allowing stations to move from one access point to another one, or choosing the best channel, connecting to the best available band. So we take all this information of the Qualcomm solution, which is kind of designed to stay within the home, and we bring it to the telcos. We put it in the back end so the telcos can build customer support tools, they can build marketing tools, they can get analytics from it. So we're taking all the intelligence that Qualcomm has built and delivering it to the telcos in their data centers.
Okay. Well, that makes an awful lot of sense. Sounds like something that could solve a lot of problems for telcos and deliver better experience for people like you and me. So,
Indeed.
Iurgi, that's great. Thanks for bringing us up to date.
Thank you very much. Thank you.